So let's get into it. First, we will look at what these words mean, followed by the English subject pronouns. Then you will have a better understanding when you learn the Spanish. So what is a subject? A subject does the action or has being in a sentence. For example, Maxwell plays the piano. Maxwell does the action plays, so Maxwell is the subject. Now, what is a pronoun? A pronoun takes the place of a noun. So instead of writing Maxwell plays, we can write he plays the piano. And since he is a pronoun and a subject, then he is a subject pronoun. Let's look at some other subject pronouns in English. When learning these pronouns, you should learn to think about them in terms of point of view. The point of view is how the person or thing of the pronoun is viewed. Let me explain. The pronoun I comes first and is used to talk about oneself. The pronoun I is in the first person point of view. The pronoun you is used when addressing someone directly. The pronoun you is in the second person point of view. What about he or she? When we talk about another person, we use he or she. He drives fast. She is very funny. The pronoun it also falls in this category. These pronouns are in the third person point of view. And all these pronouns are singular. So let's look at the plural form. Our first subject pronoun in the plural form is we. The pronoun we is used when referring to oneself with someone else, no matter how many others. Therefore, we is also in the first person point of view. Next, we have the pronoun you again. Since there is only one form of you in English, it is also used to address more than one person. Later, we will see 4 different forms of you in Spanish. The pronoun you remains in the second person point of view. Lastly is the pronoun they. The pronoun they is used when talking about more than one person or thing. The pigeons, in this case, they are eating. The pronoun they is in the third person point of view. And again, all these pronouns are plural. Now it's time for the Spanish. We'll begin with the singular forms. First person, yo. Second person, tú. Second person, usted. Third person, él. Third person, ella. I'm sure you've noticed that there are 2 forms of you in this list. Well, as you can see in parentheses, the tú form is informal, sometimes called familiar because it is used with people who are familiar, such as family, friends, and peers. Usted, on the other hand, is the formal form and is used with people to show more respect, such as with a teacher or community leader. Next, we'll see the plural forms. First person, nosotros. Second person, vosotros. Second person, ustedes. Notice there are also 2 forms of you in the plural. Vosotros is informal, so it is the plural form of tú. This pronoun is mostly used in Spain. So ustedes, the formal form, is used in other places where Spanish is spoken, even when the audience is informal. Third person, ellos. This is the masculine form of they. This pronoun is used to talk about an all-male group or masculine nouns, but also a mixed group of males and females or masculine and feminine nouns. And ellas is the feminine form of they, used to talk about a group of females or feminine nouns. So, let's take one more look at the singular and plural forms side by side. We can identify the points of view together. First person, second person, third person. Now I want to leave you with one more tip. If it becomes confusing about which subject pronoun means you, since there are 4 of them, I have a strategy for that. It's called the UVU strategy. Here's why. Each subject pronoun that contains the letter U or the letter V translate into the English as you. That's the UVU strategy. Well, thanks for joining me today. I'll see you on the next video.